we'll get it pulled off that tree. Fortunately, it didn't, it's hard to do one. Fortunately, it didn't land on it. Fortunately, I have another tree right here I can just put it on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it on that tree right there, pointing back in the same direction, watching this corner, watching this part of the roadbed. So tremendous amount of damage. They're going to have days and days and days of work to do to even try to get back to somewhat of a normal. But anyway, we'll get this put on that tree, cut a limb, and move on to the next one.